The new BMW Operating System 9 offers intuitive touch control on the BMW Curve display. To configure the home background, swipe inwards from the right, then select My Modes or the map view of the BMW navigation system. Scroll through the widgets on the side to see all features like Intelligent Personal Assistant, radio, telephone functions, media, destination input, vehicle information, as well as time and date. Swipe right or left on the widget for more content and direct access to the most important features. Tap a widget to enter its menu. Swiping down from the top opens your personal tool belt for menu shortcuts and favorite functions. Here, you can easily store favorite radio stations or quick access to other media or functions, all in one place.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?